Today in our 2010 Chevrolet Malibu, we're going to be installing the Rhino Roof Rack System with Aero Bars. Using part numbers RRRLKVA126B-2, which is the Vortex Aero Crossbars in black. This also comes in silver with part number RRVA126S-2. Part number RRRLKVA, which is the foot packs to get them attached to your roof. And part number DK183, which is the fit kit for the vehicle. This roof rack system is going to be great for freeing up space inside your vehicle by getting that cargo up on the roof. It's also ideal for very large items such as kayaks, bike racks, or skis. It's going to be made of a durable, lightweight aluminum that's going to be rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. Up on top, we'll have a rubber strip. This will help keep your cargo from sliding around once you've got it secure. The strip also comes up and they'll be able to mount T-slot accessories below. You can access that T-slots by unlocking the end cap, pulling it off, slipping your strip up, loading up your accessories, cutting it to length, and then putting it back down. You'll want to keep the strip in place wherever you don't have an accessory, as it'll help keep out dirt and grime and also cut down on some wind noise. When you're done, just simply slide your cap back on and lock it back up. This will also help protect your accessories from theft. These can be upgraded with metal locks here at eTrailer.com. The foot pads will have locking mechanisms included that come with 2 keys. This will help protect your roof rack system, making it secure to your roof. And also, if you have any accessories that are locked onto your aero bars, you'll have those protected that's locked onto your vehicle. We'll give you a few measurements here to see how your accessories may interact with your roof rack system on your Malibu. From the top of the roof to the bottom of the crossbar, it's going to measure about 3.5 inches. And from the top of the roof to the top of the crossbar, it's going to measure about 4 3/4 inches. We've already got the front aero bar installed in our vehicle now. We'll show you how to install the rear. To begin the installation, you'll need to prepare your foot pack. Go ahead and take your foot pack and install the pad on it. We're going to use pad number 415 for our driver's side. Pad 414 will go on your passenger side. We'll go ahead and put that pad on. It just presses into place. Next, you'll slide it onto the aero bar using the T-nut here. We'll need to set it for the correct distance. This is going to be 152 millimeters. Now with your kit, you'll have a strip that you can cut to length that has millimeters written on it already. For testing purposes, we're just going to be using a tape measure. You also want to pay attention when you're making these measurements, as they are different from the front and rear bar. Refer to your instructions, and the pads that we have installed on our foot pads also change depending if it's the front and rear bar. So again, refer to your instructions. We've got it set to the appropriate distance, so we'll now tighten it down. Loosen the bolt on the side of the foot pad. Slide on our fit kit arm. For the rear bar, we're going to be using SUB0257. These are different from the front. Slide it in place and then reinstall your bolt. You don't need to tighten it all the way down now, just get it in there so it holds the pad arm on. Then we'll put our end cap on with the lock pointing towards the foot pad. Turn it with the key, and we're now ready to install it in the vehicle. You'll need both doors open so you can set it in place. Then we'll have to measure the distance between our front and rear bar. Our front bar is going to measure 22 centimeters from the back of the door to the center of the foot pad. The distance between the center of the front foot pad and the center of the rear foot pad is going to measure 70 centimeters. So we'll line that up now and do it on both sides. Once you've got them both lined up, we can tighten it down using the included tool. You'll want to get one side snug and then go tighten the other side, so that way they're tightened down evenly on both sides. Once they're tightened down, we can put our locking covers on both sides. And now we're ready to load up our favorite accessories and hit the road. And that completes our installation of the Rhino Rack Roof Rack System on our 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.